Hello everyone. Today we will do Grade 5 PSEB book, My World book, Chapter 8, Journey of Seed. So let's begin. Sugarcane was being planted in the fields. My mother prepared meal for the workers. My nephew Sukhman and I took meal to the fields. The dish made from chana, gram, was very tasty. Everyone ate up to his fill and relaxed for a while. After some time, my elder brother, Sukhman's father, prepared tea. We all took tea and started the plantation again. Small pieces of sugarcane were being planted in the field. Elder brother was sowing gram seeds in between the sugarcane plants. Sukhman was surprised to see it. Papa, grams are for eating. Why are you sowing the grams in the soil? My son, grams can be used as seed for the new crop and food as well. Sukhman asked, holding my hand, can we eat other seeds also? Yes, my son. There are many. You can see some seeds in our kitchen, like jeera, cumin seeds. Some seeds are used to get flour, like wheat. Sukhman, you must have seen mustard oil. It is extracted from mustard seeds. Question 1. With the help of your family members, complete the following list. Seeds used as spices. You'll have to take help from mama or your teacher for this. Okay? So I'll skip the exercise and I will move to the paragraph that is next. Uncle, I like flowers. Will you get me seeds of rose and marigold? Sukhman asked me. Definitely, my son. Seeds of marigold can be collected. You know that rose is not grown with seeds, but with grafting. Uncle, what is grafting? A twig is cut from the rose plant and is sown in the soil, and after a few days, the leaves appear over the stem. The twig. Activity 1. Let us learn the process of growing plants from seeds. All of you, all the children watching this video, reading this lesson must do this. Let us learn the process of growing plants from seeds. Take some wheat seeds. Take some fertile soil from the field. Take a cup of water. Take at least 4 pots, glasses or beakers. Name every beaker or pot or glass as A, B, C, D. आप ऐसा लेबल लगाना जो मिट नहीं जाए because you will be watering these plants, so make sure you write with a permanent marker and not just paste a piece of paper. In pot A, put some wheat seeds and keep it in sunlight. In pot B, put some fertile soil, add a few seeds and keep in sunlight. In pot C, put some fertile soil, sow a few seeds, put some water and keep in the dark room or almirah. In pot D, put some fertile soil, sow a few seeds and water it and then keep it in sunlight. All of us will do this exercise, this activity 1, in another video. I will make another video and I will share with you on this channel. So don't forget to watch that video later. Watch after a few days in which pot the seeds germinate. Seeds will germinate in pot D. Why did seeds not germinate in other pots? आपको पता है ना germinate का क्या मतलब होता है? Germinate मतलब when the seed starts becoming a plant, when it starts developing roots and it doesn't remain just a seed anymore. As you can see in the picture here, देख रहे हो? This is a seed and this is a seedling. Basically, the germination has begun. When germination begins, we call it a seedling. Air, water, sunlight are required for healthy germination of seed. This part is important to remember. Air, water and sunlight, all three. Page 49, Activity 2. You can plant any seed at your home following the procedure given for pot D and fill up the performer given below. We read on page 48 the options how we can plant a seed. So we will use pot D wala option where we give fertile soil also, we give seeds also, water also, sunlight also. Everything is properly taken care of. We'll plant with that method and try different seeds. We'll write name of seeds, date of sowing, date of germination, height of plant after 7 days of germination, height of plant after 15 days of germination. All of you children must try and do this experiment. It's very, very simple. Make a chart on your rough copy and try and do this today. Sukhman and I got empty lunch boxes and started back towards home. सुखमन ने और मैंने अपने खाली लंच बॉक्सेस लिए और घर की तरफ वापस चल पड़े. While passing by a nearby building, Sukhman said, holding my arm, "Uncle, see, plants are grown on the roof. Who has planted them on the roof?" No, Sukhman, no one planted these plants. Seeds might have reached on the rooftop somehow. Sukhman asked how. Sukhman got curious. It's a very natural question. ऊपर seeds कौन लेके जाएगा? My son, seeds are carried away from one place to another by many ways. For example, birds take fruits to the roof and eat them. The seeds are left on the roof. The seeds of a wild plant ak are hairy and are carried by wind from one place to another. Take a look at the picture. This is what the seed looks like. Due to its weight and size, the seeds of grass fly in air and reach different places. Putkanda and Gutpatna. These are also two types of plants. Putkanda and Gutpatna usually stick to the bodies of animals and reach other places. Water lily and water hyacinth, Jalkumbi, travel through water from one place to another. ये पानी में बहते बहते इनके सीड्स, इनके प्लांट्स जगह जगह पहुंचते रहते हैं और मल्टीप्लाई होते रहते हैं. Let's do this paragraph once again. Seeds are carried from one place to another by many ways. For example, birds take fruits to the roof and eat them and leave the seeds on the roof. Second, the wind blows away light seeds and takes them from one place to the other. And there are a few seeds that flow with the flowing water and reach different places. Okay, activity 3. With the help of your teacher, make a list of all those seeds that travel to one place from another or from one place to another by any means. This you'll have to work on yourself. Next is things to remember. Small pieces of potato and sugarcane are planted in the field. Sugarcane को जब grow करना होता है तो we can cut a small piece of potato from where a root is visible. A small part of root is visible. We cut that part of potato and we immerse that root in soil and then sow it. So new potatoes grow out from the same root. It becomes a whole plant. Similarly, छोटे छोटे गन्ने के pieces भी काट के खेत में बोए जाते हैं. There is no seed for it. Like there is no seed for potato, there is also no seed for sugarcane. New plants of patharchat. In Hindi we also call it patharchatta. New plants of patharchat grow from the leaves of the same plant. मतलब जब plant उस plant के leaves गिरते हैं, when the leaves fall off and they get mixed in the soil, a new plant grows from the same place, from that leaf. A single is called leaf, more are called leaves. Shakarkandi is planted from the root. That's very interesting. Shakarkandi पता है आपको? Sweet potato. Shakarkandi is planted from the root. उसकी जड़ नीचे निकल रही होती है. Have you seen कभी कभी उसमें धागे धागे से होते हैं. It's got a lot of threads at one end. That is the root. So we put that part under the soil. We dig the soil, and we immerse that root part in the soil and then cover it up, water it, keep it in the sunlight, and then it is good to go. It will grow well. Next point is air, water, and sunlight are required for the germination of seeds. This is very, very important, and it is very, very simple. Air, water, and sunlight. All three things are very important. If any of these things is missing, then the plant will die or the seed will not germinate at all. Okay, let's do the exercises also this one. Question 2 on page 50. From which seed is flour prepared? You know what flour is? Flour is atta, Flour. You don't call it flour, you don't call it flour, you don't call it flour, you call it flour. Flo, flour. Repeat after me. Flour. Okay. From which seed is flour prepared? Mustard, wheat, or coriander? It is wheat. Yes. कनक, गेहूं, उससे बनता है ना आटा. Wheat is the answer. Second, which seed is used as spice? Turmeric, maize, or rural millet? टर्मरिक. टर्मरिक को हिंदी में हल्दी कहते हैं. हल्दी देखी है ना, सबके घर पे स्पाइसेस का बॉक्स होता है, नमकदानी होती है जिसको नमकदानी बोलती है मम्मा, उसमें टर्मरिक भी होती है, ऑरेंज कलर वाली. इट हैज़ many good medicinal properties also. Which new plant is grown from its leaves? Number 3, which new plant is grown from its leaves? Radish, cauliflower, or shakarkandi? Actually, students, you will have to leave this question because all the 3 options given here are wrong. Instead, you should write a 4th option, patar chatta, and you should tick that one, or you should leave the question only. Because radish and cauliflower both grow from seeds, and shakarkandi goes from roots. So next question, point 4 of question 2, which plant is grown with grafting? We learnt that, we read this one, make an attempt. Yes, it is the rose plant. Next we have question 3, mind mapping. Seeds which are used to eat. You can very easily fill this one. Please do this on your own. Question 4, fill in the blanks. I'm sure you can do these also. They have given 3 options to choose from and 3 questions. I'm not going to be able to help you here. There was a mistake in question 2, so I had to point out this one seems okay. Please go ahead and make an attempt yourself. Question 5. Tick the right ones and cross the wrong ones. This is easy, children. You must do this yourself. Now what we'll do is we'll quickly revise the whole chapter again, and we'll make sure that we don't make any mistakes with pronunciation or with any understanding. Sugarcane was being planted in the fields. My mother prepared meal for the workers. My nephew Sukhman and I took meal to the fields. The dish made from chana was very tasty. Everyone ate up to his fill, मतलब पेट भर के खाया, and relaxed for a while. थोड़ी देर विश्राम किया. After some time, my elder brother Sukhman's father prepared tea. कुछ समय पश्चात मेरे बड़े भाई सुखमन के पिता ने चाय बनाई. We all took tea and started the plantation again. सबने चाय ली और दोबारा से प्लांटेशन शुरू कर दी. Small pieces of sugarcane were being planted in the field. अब यहाँ से याद रखना है हमको. There were small pieces of sugarcane. The word is sugar cane. Sugar cane nahi. Sugar cane. Speak after me. The word is sugar cane. Elder brother was sowing gram seeds in between the sugarcane plants. बड़ा भाई sugarcane के plants के बीच की जगह में ग्राम सीड्स चने के बीज लगा रहा था. Elder brother, not elder, 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 elder. Brother, brother, brother नहीं, elder नहीं. Elder brother was sowing gram seeds in between and Sukhman was surprised to see it. Papa, grams are for eating. Why are you sowing the grams in the soil? My son, grams can be used as seeds for new crop as well as food. ये याद रहेगा? Yes, my son, there are many. You can see some seeds in our kitchen like jeera or cumin seeds. Some seeds are used to get flour. Remember this word, flour, flour. Speak after me. Flour, not flour, not flour, flour. Sukhman, you must have seen mustard oil. Mustard नहीं कहेंगे. Mustard. Mustard. R clear नहीं है. It is kind of a rolled tongue sound. It is extracted from mustard seeds. I understand, children, you might find it very funny to speak some things, some words the way I ask you to. But trust me, this is the best way of pronouncing these words. This is the correct way. If you adopt it, it'll sound good. Uncle, I like flowers. Remember, children, the word is uncle, not uncle. Uncle, uncle, and flowers or flowers, flowers. Will you get me seeds of rose and marigold? Marigold, not marigold. Marigold. Sukhman asked me. Definitely, my son. Seeds of marigold can be collected. You know that rose is not grown with seeds but with grafting. It is not grafting, it is grafting. Grafting. Uncle, what is grafting? A twig is cut from the rose plant and is sown in the soil. Twig होता है लकड़ी का पीस, लकड़ी का छोटा सा तना. And after a few days, the leaves appear over the stem. Everything is clear here? And from the activity, I find important words here. In the second point, take some fertile soil. It is not fertile, it is fertile. Take some fertile soil from the field. Repeat after me. Fertile. Fertile. Yes. In point number 8, we have the word dark. It is dark. समझ लो कि इसके स्पेलिंग्स हैं DAAK. Dark. समझ लो, है नहीं. When you have to write DARK. But when we pronounce, we call it dark. The R sound is not very, very strong and not prominent. It is very subtle, very mild. Watch after a few days in which pot the seeds germinate. The seeds will germinate in pot D because we gave fertile soil, water, sunlight, and proper air to it. Next important word we have here is potato. A lot of children might call it potato. It's not potato, it is potato. And sugarcane. Potato, sugarcane. I will speak once all these words for you to make sure everybody knows correct pronunciation. The words are mustard, wheat, coriander, turmeric, maize, rural millet, radish, cauliflower, shakarkandi, marigold, rose, and patharchat or patharchatta. This word here is air, not air, and this word here is another, another. No R in the end. Next word is hyacinth. Though you will not have to use this word very often, but since it's in your topic and you must know the pronunciation, the word is hyacinth. So that's all for today. These questions I expect you to please answer yourself. Make a self attempt. All the answers to all these questions are hidden in the chapter that we read today. Read the topic, listen to it, watch the video again and again, repeatedly. Make sure that you correct your pronunciation and repeat after me wherever you're given time to. And good luck. I will see you very soon with your next topic. If you want me to make any more videos on any specific topics, please write the name of the topic in the comment section and I will very soon make a video of your choice. Thank you and see you soon. Bye bye.